So this is an Avis ec75 7550 sent to me by our friend Otterstar. Apparently his manservant lost the keys to it, and he asked me not to tell anybody that he had to ask the East Coast man for help on this. So if you could, just keep this between us guys, that'd be great. So I'm gonna use a Sparrow Z-bar and the small flag from the multi-pick set. Something out of 1, something out of 2, maybe something out of 3. All right. No. Come on. This wording's terrible. And there we go. So it's definitely not a pushover of a lock. The wording on this thing's crazy. But again, remember, do not tell Otterstar that I told you guys that he had to have the East Coast man's help on this.